Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Togepi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw two curves going down and out like this. Then from the bottom, let's curve it out on both sides. And then let's curve it down. Next, underneath, let's continue drawing the shape of the body with a large curve down and in. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then on top of this line, let's curve it up again. And bring it down. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw two small ovals for the eyes. And then another oval inside at the top. Next, let's hop out next to the eyes and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw a curve across and a curve underneath and bring it back up for the shape of the mouth. And then let's add a curve inside for the tongue. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the top of the shell. Let's draw a V-shaped point up underneath the mouth and angle it up on both sides. Now for the ends, let's bring it down. And then let's angle it up and over. Now on both sides, let's angle it down and back up. Next, let's move into the bottom section and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve down on an angle. Then let's curve it down from the top and bottom, meeting at a point. And that's it for the arms. Now on the body, let's add the pattern. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a small triangle. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw a large curved triangle like this. And let's do the same thing inside. Next, on the top right, let's add a diamond. And the same thing inside. Now let's hop down and let's draw a triangle on the bottom right corner. And another one inside. Now let's move over on the bottom left and let's draw a curve up, bring it down, and back down to the bottom. And again, the same thing inside. And that's it for the pattern on the body. Lastly, let's move down and draw the feet. Underneath, let's draw a curve out and down on the left and the right. And then let's curve it back up and in towards the center. And then let's add one curve inside each foot. And that's it for Togepi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!